friends, Running Kimono here, and I went to $1 general store today. I'm still scouting for my unicorn store with, magic and ponies and butterscotch pudding and balloons, and my goodness, I found it. So much stuff that I found in this store that I didn't find at other stores that I wanted to share. And if you can really shop rural, like an area where they have a Dollar General every 10 miles, you might find a really cool store. And on Saturday, yes, you can use the 5 off of 25 with this event, but I would recommend to shop on Friday because people go so hard on this that usually there's really not much left on Saturday mornings, and that's just the breaks of this. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, stop the video right now, look in the notes. I have this video which gives you the 1, 2, 3 ABC. I get into excruciating specific detail about the clearance event, how it works, and how to get the biggest savings with either manufacturer insert coupons or digital. So check out that video linked in the notes or at the very end. And as I was saying earlier, this coupon, yes, you can use it with clearance merch, but sometimes, guys, this is the breaks of it. The best stuff is usually gone on Friday because everybody and their grandmother goes to this sale. Okay, so at this magic store, I found 3 different types of scents of the Febreze Air Effects. And I have the UPCs to share, and these are all going to be 32 cents starting on Friday. So we are looking at the Mediterranean Lavender, Hawaiian Aloha, and April Fresh. So it is this bottle where it's kind of, you can see the product inside. It's somewhat, clear to see, that translucent or whatever. And here are the UPCs. I think this one is for the lavender one, but like 32 cents for each. That is like dirt cheap. And these are nice scents. It's not like a holiday scent or something like that. This one is Aloha, I believe. And this is a really nice one too. And then I like the April Fresh one. It kind of smells like fabric softener, if that is your favorite, and here it is. So definitely scan these in the app so you can see, like at your store, how many they have in quantity. And this might be one of these like things that are part of it, but it's not going to be part of it because it's not going to be in the clearance section. And I did look this up at multiple stores, and it was in stock, but I didn't see it in clearance. So I was like, oh, that is interesting. Okay, so in the October P&G, we have this dollar coupon. We can use it up until the 9th. So it would drop it down right to 32 cents. Alternatively, if you don't get any insert coupons, we also have this guy, which is the digital dollar off. So it would drop it also down to 32 cents. So just looking at the math, as this was like $2.60 something cents, half of that starting on Friday is $1.32. Subtracting that digital, it is 32 cents, a little something called winning. So maybe look around the store for these because there's 3 different scents, and I know a lot of you will be able to find at least one of these. Okay, special shout out to Champs88 over on Instagram. This is in fact some of her info, and she's absolutely right. So these yellow top Downies, they are also on clearance. They were on clearance at her store. They might be a harder item to find though. But we do have this dollar digital that is in fact attaching to this product. So use it and get it really dirt cheap. So at 50% off, this will be $1.32. Subtracting that dollar digital, you're paying 32 cents. So, it doesn't get any better than that. All right, so another clearance find that she was talking about, and I scanned this, and she is right on the money. This is some weird price, like $2 and something, like whatever. And it's down to $1.67 with the clearance. And unfortunately, because it is a 39 loader, this is an older bottle. There is no digital that is attaching to this, or I don't think the manufacturer, because it's a 39 load product. So, not going to work. But still, for $1.67, yes. Also, these Downy Wrinkle guards, they're really small. I don't think that dollar digital is attaching to it, but the refresh one, and I didn't grab a barcode of it, I think that will work with the dollar digital. And behind it, there's some baby draft. I didn't notice all this stuff, guys, till I left the store or when I got home, because it was on a bottom shelf, and I just took a quick photo, and then I started looking at the photo, and I'm like, oh my God, there's 2 items I should have taken better photos of. But be on the lookout for that Downy Refresh to the right, and at the back, the baby draft, especially, if you have like little babies or going to a baby shower, you need that sort of stuff. And I do know that these coupons should probably work with those two products that include the dollar off. So hopefully this is from the October P&G. Hopefully you have some of these, but it's a dollar off of one of those products. So you can use this one. And then for the baby draft, there is a $2 coupon as well. Or no, pardon me, a $3 coupon. So you're hoping to find that 46-ounce bottle, but $3 off, that is quite the bit. So I wish I had looked at that bottle, but I didn't, so meh. Another cool item that I found was this Air Essential Mist Kit, and here's the barcode for it. So this guy is $8.95, which is a little bit for a clearance event. You're going to be looking for this specific one. It's Mandarin and Sweet Tangerine. There is this $1.50 digital coupon, so make sure you have it loaded. On the Fetch Rewards app, $2.50 back when you buy this product, so that's like really cool. And it's off of an Essential Mist Starter Kit, which is that which we just looked at. So looking at the mathematics for this one, grabbing one of those for $4.42, 50%. Subtracting the $1.50 digital, you're paying $2.92. Getting back 2,500 points from the Fetch Rewards app, making it $2.50. So this item drops down to 42 cents. So kind of awesome. If you also love these Airwick oils, this guy is $4.50. So it would drop down to $2.25 starting on Friday. So here's the digital coupons. There's $1.50 offs. Whenever you see these, load them in your Dollar General app. Don't even question me. So grabbing one of these for $2.25, subtracting that $1.50 digital, you're paying 75 cents for 2 oils. That is a killer price for this. So yeah, it is fantastic. Okay, so the General Mills Sesame Street cereal with the Cookie Monster and Elmo is going to be like $1.12, 50% of $2.25. Now, on the box at this unicorn store that I went to, there were dollar peelies found on like the cereal. So utilizing one of those guys, it would be 12 cents. So be on the lookout for this. The Sesame Street cereal peely found right on the box. So 12 cents is definitely a stock up price, especially with all the nonsense going on right now with food. Also the Glad press and seal. This guy is $2. It was found in the clearance section and there was a $2 clearance sticker on it. It was on the other side. Really awesome photography here by me. So this should be down to $1. Kind of weird that Christmas stuff is in clearance, but I will take this for $1 because I love press and seal. Also, some of you were asking about trash bags. On the very top shelf at this store, look what I found, a whole bunch of different trash bags. So they say that they're $7, but they were actually ringing up for $6.30, I believe. So it dropped them down to like $3.15 each, which, it's not the greatest, but I guess it's better than paying like, probably like $8 plus at like any big box store. So you get 20. Hey, it's a little something. If you wanted to throw this in with a 5 off of 25 on Saturday, maybe it would be a better deal. But unfortunately, we don't have any manufacturers at this time for this. I know there was an IBOTTA rebate, so keep checking your different rebate apps. Maybe something will pop up for you. But this was found all at one store, guys. Like absolutely craziness here. These single rolls, also Aviva, ringing up for $1.80, so half of that is 90 cents starting on Friday. Look high and low for your clearance. You have an idea of what's on the list. Apologies, I don't think I'm doing a POG video because the employees at the store are not hanging those stickers for me, and I just can't scan everything in the store. I just do not have that kind of time. But this just gives you, between the two videos, an idea of some of the stuff that will be up for grabs for the clearance event. Very excited by this. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.